Where is it? Where's my special pine cone? Not here, not there either. Oh dear, my den is so messy. No wonder I can't find anything. I'll clean it all at once. Oh no, it's too much. I can't do it.
Oh, Revo, what's all this? It looks like you've got a lot on your paws today.
My den got so messy, I don't know where to start.
It's a big job, isn't it? But you don't have to do it all at once. Just pick one thing to start.
The acorns?
Perfect, just the acorns.
1 acorn, 2 acorns, 3! All the acorns. Done! Now the leaves. Gather, gather, gather. Leaves. Done! Bowls go by the wall. Stack them up nice and neat. Bowls. Done! A sock? Up here? Silly sock. Sock. Done! And smooth out my cozy blanket, all flat and soft. Cozy again. Done! My pine cone! It was here all along, hiding under my blanket. Hello again, pine cone. I missed you. Look what I did! My den is all tidy and so cozy now.
Look at your lovely tidy den, Revo.
It was hard to start, but it feels so nice now.
Sweet dreams, little one. Rest.
Tidying up felt hard at first, but it makes so happy and warm inside. A tidy den is a comfy den.